Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arel and I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to do week 9 of my 52 lists project. It is a weekly journaling activity that I do and I just share with you guys. And for the list this week, it is things that I treasure most. I wanted to introduce some of the things that I will be using. I have several things. I am going to choose the sticker sheet from Daiso, and we're at the end of February and March. Of course, it's going to be like spring soon, so I'm kind of transitioning into more spring floral type of deco. And then I have these stickers from Paper Minty Studio. I've had these for a while, and it's these bottles with stars and butterflies and flowers and all that, like really cute. I'm going to be using this washi right here. I think this is from Lauren Phelps Design. And then I have several papers and stickers from random places, so I'm going to be using those. And of course, my little baggie of letter stickers, and then this Lucy Plans Life little sticky notes, just to add like a little bit of description and flair to the spread. And just a bit of a recap of all the stuff that I have done so far. So we're going to be on week 9. This is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8, and we are going to be on week 9. So if you have your journal with you and if you want to journal with me, now is the time. Or if not, just sit back, relax, take a snacky, have a drink, and let's get started.